In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Google Tag Manager. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your Google Analytics setup to Google Tag Manager using the Google Tag so your data is captured reliably. First, open a browser and go to tagmanager.google.com, sign in, and make sure you're in the correct account and container for the website you want to track. Inside your workspace, look to the left-hand menu and click Tags to open the tag list. Then click New to create a fresh tag. A configuration panel opens. Click Tag Configuration to choose what kind of tag you want to add. From the list of tag types, select Google Tag. This template is designed to connect your site to your Google Analytics property using a single tag ID. Now we'll grab that ID from Google Analytics. In a new tab, go to analytics.google.com and open the property that corresponds to your site. Navigate to data streams where your web data streams are listed. Select the web data stream you want to use. This should match the website linked to your Tag Manager container. On the Google Tag section of that stream, click Configure Tag Settings. Here you'll see the tag ID for the property. Copy that tag ID exactly as shown. This unique identifier ties your Tag Manager tag directly to your analytics property, ensuring events and page views flow into the right place. Return to your Google Tag Manager tab. In the Google Tag configuration, find the field labeled Tag ID and paste the value you just copied. Take a moment to double check it for extra spaces or typos. Accuracy matters here because a mismatched ID can prevent data from being recorded. If your organization uses multiple properties, verify that the ID corresponds to the intended environment. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's it for the core setup in this walkthrough. You've created a Google Tag in Tag Manager and linked it to your Google Analytics property using the official Tag ID. Depending on your workspace settings, you may see reminders about triggers or firing conditions. Follow your established tagging plan for how and when you want this tag to run. After saving, continue with your usual quality checks and publishing process to make the changes live, and monitor your analytics reports to confirm data is arriving as expected. Thanks for watching. If you follow these steps carefully, creating a new tag in Tag Manager, selecting the Google tag type, and pasting the correct tag ID from Analytics, you'll have a clean, reliable connection between your site and your analytics property.